What a go on, everybody? Welcome back to Drama Official TV. So, me just share a video with Queenie when she got on her live the other day, and she was talking about her childhood stories, and I'm gonna tell you, man, the story touching. And we all know how Queenie love cry and them stuff. Now when she start ball, we have to just feel sorry for her. Well, me know me feel sorry for her. Sometimes when me see she start ball, she talk about her daughter who passed away and things like that. But in this video she share her childhood stories and the things them what she got through as a child, and when how she reached England and so forth. So hope you enjoy the video. Just remember to like, comment and subscribe and those things. Thank you all so much for watching the videos.
My auntie cussed my father. My father still thief me. With the one blood clot green dress and the rest of clothes them and them now wear them. And so when me and him up on the bus I got feed me hard now. Boy, I love Bali. My father and the man had fighting at the bus. Me don't know them a fight for no, but girl, at the first me I meet this man and then me see this big dirty fight him and the man. So me itch up in the bus as a little girl I watch. I watch my father kick the man and buck the man and them fight. And when him reaching top, him say, driver, let me off, yes, sir. Me and my father going at the new home now with them kids, the rest of kids them. As the man come off of the bus and for turning the man say, my bomber clot. So my father cuss my dude like me. My father forget out from me. My chip my dude flying. Oh God. I so miss my daddy. And when him say my bomber clot and touch him back, him say I lose my wallet. Hear me now? Papa, me did see it go. Enough me got you the right crazy. Remember, me never tell this man come thief you the right crazy. Me's an innocent little girl, So true, me got tell the man say, me see the wallet on the ground. Them cuss me. Oh, me an idiot. Me should have take up the wallet. And me should have tell my father, how the fuck me tell the man I don't know more than me see two man a fight and me see one black something in the corner and me I had to pussy clock and me never them lick me. And them lose one whole heap of money that day, the one whole heap of money. Cause him do steel work. So like him getting mountain pay and the whole of it. So everything them say, me make my father to lose the money, and my father to lose how much money. So me going at the family in a bad blood clot news, girl. Me never go in there good cause mother outside blood clot pitney. Bumbo clot. My storyboard come off. It's a right crazy man mute you. Me now, since I don't know for mute yourself, I'll do you the favor. I'll do you the honor. You don't know for mute yourself. Yeah, man, so them little experience and then little poor days and now when my father teach me, I go shop. I have to work all 2 hours to go shop. I play with the tree, I stone the bird them in the tree, I tease the people, them mango, all thought. At them time now when I walk on, alright, I go show that thing right crazy. That whole heap of pervert in the world, I used to boom drive when I go shop. Cause a farm used to drive go. And what I tell you, you know much man try for me and for try rape me and try for feel up that woman and look for me Queenie, sir. Me, this bomber all round us here. From a little bit me a warrior, no pussy test, Remember one time, I stop on big pretty car, Me and my friend them out there, I see the man of them car. I say, sir, you can't give me that car there. And the man say, yes, tomorrow. Every day we wait for your car. Cut long story short. Sunday, I go shop now, Jamaica, you can't stop and boom drive. I'm stop and boom the drive. Wow, pretty ear man, And the man, and my driver, I say, sir, may I go up at the shop at White House? He say, can drop me up at the shop, please, sir? And him say, yes, I'll let me in him car front. And so the man I drive right crazy and stay, so I saw the man and put him on by my front, I saw the man put him on by my front. I saw me box off him man as a little girl, silent blood clot. It move your blood clot, me a little girl, but me don't touch my pussy. Me telling about the pastor who used to live at Button Bay when me lost the $5. And the pastor said to me, say, if him give me back the $5 but me for coming at the bush, me say no, I prefer go home go make my father beat me. I get no fun. I feel like my bad blood clot, girl. Me no run them joke. I'm smart from a little bit. I'm edgy. That's why now my big, me can't be a fucker box. Cause when me little bit and I grew up poor, me could have allow enough man for abuse me. But my oh my God, now when me come town, me get fuck and turn, me was virgin. No, right crazy. It's a whole heap of experience me have. And I can't tell you this. My father did have a friend. I'm going to the guinea tree, I pick the guinea tree. And the man look up underneath me. You know you wear a little skirt, you have a little pitney in it. Cause me maybe 12, me no remember. The man named Starry. I don't give a fuck, Starry. Move your dirty blood clot. Me get bigger, me no remember. Move your conniving red hypocrite blood clot. You think I forgot? I'ma go up in the guinea tree. And the man look up on me now when I come down here, the man now, I must grow for him. You see, if the man tell me that, me never talk back to him until the come. Me not tell my father nothing in the come. Ooh, me only a bad girl. Me not take them blood clots something. Me not take them something. Me not talk to that man. I have a next man now. The first time I go see coming in my life. One man named George. Him still there and I'm not dead. Him not so righted. Move your blood clot. Who that? Yeah. In the kind of... So them used to have the horse, the mule, because you know you have mule different. Mule carry the horse run the race, the mule carry the weight, and the donkey, no, the mule draw the stuff, them, pull them, and the donkey carry the weight. So them did have donkey, them did have horse, and them did have mule. So we are go up in the bush now with the man in them named George. Me, Queenie, I go up in the bush with them. Them time them I say 12 now or 11. But a far away I go up in the bush, so the man give me piggyback. The man give me piggyback in a George, me up on George back as a little girl. And me I'm George, I chat through the bush like crazy. And me say when George reach her except me just say George take me down half and back and put me down half and back and just turn side and pull him pan and still so. Now like what for be to you? What for happen to you? I'm gonna be happen to you. Right crazy. When me see the man put me down and take out him body and take out the something, I see the little white something, cause me inquisitive, cause me smart, you know. I saw me lean and I look upon George, you know. And George, first me I say come in my life, and me I say what up, but me not ask George nothing, you know, and George not saying nothing, me just turn up and look upon George and I say, what else the first me do? And George turn up and come till him shake off back him something and put it in him pants and me and him continue him journey. George no say peace to me until to that day. I mean I say can't to George. So me just assure you, oh God, anytime I go back to Jamaica, I have to go look for George. The last time I see him and they give me a little change, but now that me attack and me look into it, you know, so one great man that if it enough, it's like they have him have my pan him back. When you think of it now, like him get shiny something, like him get orgasm. And where's up name? You have them experiences as a child. Yeah, a whole heap of things in the world. And you know, all of them little things, even the pastor would tell me, say, I'm going to give me about the $5. When I look on it now as a big man, I say, what a cheek. I say, it's enough little people get abused because them naive and them not have that defense and the warrior attempt there. My father did have a friend now. This foreign man, one brown red skin man, you know. When the man come, the man have a whole heap of silver in his vehicle. Throw down. My man a big man and me a pitney. So when me think me outsmart the man. So the man say I must go take up 10 cents. All time care. Come my man sit down there now. But with my little thief dodgy self, me I say he's so much money that me not take one or two me take. And when me take the man two, my man sit down there now, but my brain not think so the man a watch me now. So me take the two money now. And him say, how much you take? Me say 10 cents. Him say, how much you take? Me say 1 10 cents. Man, so how much me I ask you last time? So me just open my hand and say a 2. Man, so how much me tell her for take? Me say 1, sir, but true enough that there. Me say, me never take a next one. No man just take back him 2 10 cents and don't give me none at all. I said, you gotta lose. The man say you gotta lose everything, want all, lose all. I was a little girl. I'm a member. Only for a little experience, man. Only so not fears me right crazy. That's why me hear people are build me. I say, no bumper wall no build me, no go suck on a blood clot self or no support me. There's a difference. You can't get up and see me right here, so a queen wave and a double tap and the past thing and lick up 1 foot and turn the pa red. And I go say, oh no build me. Build who? I build myself. So nobody can break me. That is the next thing. You see self-esteem, motivation, you see belief and perseveration. All of those things come in as one and they make sense. When you reach 100 like me, I got my husband and I leave me alone. But I saw my channel over here, me bumbo, and I like me. Earlier on, me attack 60 people over here. We're 300 and almost 400 over here. And I like me story them. Yeah, man, me on a queen. And I back off and me hear that. Because I know I'm going to tell them if I go suck on a greater grand blood clot uncle. Because I'm tired of telling about it. And leave me. Back off of me. I've been through whatever I've been through. I'm big and capable enough to make my own decision. And if my decision is faulty, I am going to cope with it. And I will wallow in the mud if I want to wallow in the mud. I don't allow my life now. You understand me? Enjoy the lovely queen. My back to England. How did you reach England? Tell us that story. How I reach England? I'm going to be a father sent for me, you know. I'm pregnant with my 3rd son, Roger. Really, I let like a boy break my heart, but that's neither here nor there. Yeah, man. My baby father always obsessed with England and me always obsessed with England. Because I used to tell people say I'm born in England because I have an England sister then. So we used to get England clothes. So you know when I come to England now, I have one big belly right crazy, one big 4-month belly. One Carol, come back. So it's what I love talk of some stay. I tell everybody at Jamaica say I go foreign. Them say I not for talk. I not care, I talk, I'm excited, nothing I do. That if you believe killing it. So you know I have a 4-month belly now. And the man say, I make me come up the baby because I left me at Jamaica with the little belly, so I'm go up 4 months. So I crazy. When I come to England, first thing, you know, I have the little belly, you know. I want big jacket my friend father give me, you know, so them I hide the belly. Everybody have something I do, alright? My baby father said, I forget some G-string because I used to sell panty and brassiere, you know, right crazy. So if I put some G-string on top of the bag, you just say so randomly. I say, right, crazy, I reach London, Gatwick, no, London, Heathrow, I come. First, me I fly on plane, fright now, fool, it was here, Jamaica. Don't have a sense. And when I reach Heathrow, and the little spinning something, I come in with a suitcase. Remember first I go find it. So the something I run on, remember I'm hyperactive, I run on with it and I jump on a pond. So it's every time I jump on a pond, I have the little matey bag with the trolley. So the matey bag there on the trolley. So I left the matey bag on the trolley and I run around and I look for my suitcase. So it's every time I look for the suitcase, I look for my matey bag. I see 2 wicked men stand up, so. But when my first I go find it, I don't have no drugs nor nothing, so it no matter to me. So, when I run on this, I'm going to find the suitcase, I'm going to see 2 men stand up. So anyway, I do get the suitcase, so I walk down and put the suitcase on the trolley. I'm going to hear one man say, good morning, welcome to the United Kingdom. I say, from the man says, I'm going to start trimming to blood clot. That things may have drugs. Because I have the belly and the one big jacket where them give me, Nisha give me, her father one jacket, Oh, God, man. And the man said, welcome to the UK. The man said, have you got anything for anyone? You bring anything for anyone, me say yes. Me not have no vice royal crazy. Me turn idiot to blood. Remember, me not have nothing more than the belly in the car. Me think they're not gonna let me through with the belly. Cause that them a tell me at Jamaica for hide the belly. So the man says to me now, I'm a vice guy. Me say, sir, I bring some liquor from my uncle, cause my uncle they come clear me. And the man take the suitcase and say, open the suitcase. Remember, me don't know them, me don't know nothing about foreign. And the man opened the suitcase. It's when the man said the same drawers, them, little G-string, little T-string. They know T-string are just one string. The man said, wow. And him look through it and him trade give him next colleagues. And him take the red and black one and him trade give the next colleagues. And there was the custom officer, they was having a damn good time. And the man just said, pack up your stuff and enjoy the United Kingdom. 6 months me get, them time they are different time like now. 6 months me get to England with the little belly. Right, I true me talk? Yeah. Mr. Rare Crazies, this is the Sunday me reach. Left Jamaica Saturday and reach England Sunday. When uncle come for where I drive go to Birmingham and I look on the motorway, first me I see them fan road, they in a fool and Friday. So when I see me I look and say, oh, me I go understand that big frightened place. Because the place just look frightened. So when I go to the service center now and I buy the guests, I see the whole heap of big pretty teddy bear and stuff with them. I run and say I go buy them for my daughter them. That time I have Rachel and Nasa in Jamaica. I roll and say, no, and I say go. You can't just come take 35 pounds buy one teddy bear. So I say go. You have to understand foreign and find out foreign, so you can't just spend the money. So that time I don't know say whole heap of money, 35 pounds was them time there, you know. I just did the whole heap of foreign something. Yeah man, I'm a reach a uncle now. With the belly, you know. With the fucking belly. Spend one night at uncle. Uncle put up on the coach, come back at London now. Alright, crazies. When we drive around 5 hours on the coach and reach London, the man I said to me, say, him no live nowhere. So me say, what you mean by him no live nowhere? Him say, I'm bridging him I stay with because him did I try to get a plane. It's a blood clot. That time I have no shoes. The shoes I have on through. I come on the plane, my foot swell big so. Remember I'm pregnant, you know. So I have to break down the shoes. So I walk in at the cold, because I come here in September in the cold. With the belly, just come to England with the broke down shoes. And the man tell me, say, him no live nowhere. I say, why crazy it was a Wednesday night, I just remember. I put on a piece of I put on a piece of ball in Tottenham High Road, Seven Sister Road. A ball. Drop on the ground with the belly, I'm a ball, I'm going on the phone back. I'm going to put the money in the box. I'm going to say, Mommy, come on. Mommy, I don't live nowhere. Hey. So I still come now. My baby father said, I care, I go up on my sister. I said, right, crazy. The problem not done. When I go up on my sister now, she married to a man, one red man like her, St. Elizabeth man, with my English. She said, my uncle can't sleep one night. So because she tell me, say me can't sleep one night, and me done, she said, my baby father and I have nowhere have one night. So when I wake up the morning, because she gonna work, but the man the night shift. So when me wake the morning, my sister gonna work. One little red sister me having, I not even know what she did, Lorraine. Anyway, and I'm a father jacket, don't mind blood clot, Lorraine, go anyway. So, although she do me a favor, big up yourself, sis. Me don't know which way I roll that girl, she could let her watch me now. Anyway. So because Lorraine said to me, say, me only can sleep one night, and she wake up and go to work. It said me wake, it's my pride where I crazy. But come out of the man house, because my baby father going to work too, you know. And she going to work, you know. So I come out of the man house and sit down outside the man doorway upon the blood clot ground with my belly in a riot crazy. At the man doorway coming now. I stay in my man house because my sister said me not to stay in there, innit? Hey, I go through enough. I go through in a riot crazy. And around 9 o'clock, the man I come from work, I him the 9 shift. And him said, Janice, what you doing there? You're pregnant. What you doing on the floor? This is England. I said, Ken, Lorraine said, I can't stay more than one night. So through the light, I come outside, come stay. And him said, never you do that again. You should stay in the house until I come back. And I saw when Roland come the evening, I must say, I'm going to give Roland some money. Because I remember I'm pregnant enough for make Roland went to a room. I don't remember I go come. I don't want to tell a lie. Remember the man give me one big quilt. The way I'm glad for the quilt for say if I ever the quilt, I'm going to sleep on and eat the rice cloth tray and cover up and sleep. And when I'm glad get the quilt now when I go up on the bus. And the man look at the man and say, oh, I now go up on the bus today, right off 149, I never forgot. I now go up on, I saw Ken give him the money. I say, you know, see England hard. So we have money for take taxi, if I go carry this pan taxi, and the bus where I go up on, that's what I tell my dear father, you know. So I'm glad me get this to cover up, so we take the bus with it. And I saw Ken say, no man, me pay for the cab, and I could have take the cab.